Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and today Steph has a confession. So Steph, it's all yours. Tell us, what is it? It's really disgusting. Tell us. You know, it's in the thumbnail, so they already know. So go ahead and say it.
That is true. Well, I have had my house for 7 years, and I've never really cleaned my floor. And I know, Mom didn't even tell me it's gross, but in my defense, I've only had a dog for 1.5 years, and I have learned that dog slobber is real, and it has been on my floor.
It's everywhere.
Yeah.
So it was time to clean.
Yeah, so our last video was actually sharing some new Hoover One Power tools, and they actually sent us this new floor cleaner as well with those other tools, but we tried it out and we really liked it. We thought it deserved its own video. So this is not sponsored, but this was given to us by Hoover.
We're gonna start at Steph's house and take care of this floor, and then we're gonna head to my house and take a look at that tile. So let's get cleaning.
Here's the Hoover One Power Floor Mate Jet Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner. To get started, we need to fill the solution tank. We're going to use the large area cleaning mark, so we filled it to the water line and added the Hoover solution to the rest of the way. The tank slips onto the back and we're ready to clean. Here's another look at my floor. All these little spots are drool marks made by my dog. Ugh, thanks Mac. Oh yeah, this dog right here. You push the power button to engage the vacuum, and there's a trigger on the handle that you squeeze when you want to release the solution. I'm slowly moving forward while releasing the solution, and then as I pull back, I release the trigger and it vacuums up all the excess water as the brush continues to scrub. And there's a nice citrus scent to the solution. And here you can see how I get dog drool on my floors. Here it is, all nice and clean. We continue to clean the rest of the floors, right here by my front door, which is another problem area. And you can already visibly see how much dirt it's picking up here. Once we're done cleaning, it's really easy to clean the machine. Start by adding clean water to the cup here on the side and just pour that into the rinse and store tray. And then you run the machine for 15 seconds and it cleans it up just with the water. The dirty water tank is easy to remove and dump out. Sorry, this is a little gross. I had a lot of hair that also got cleaned up. I rinsed everything with clean water, including the filter, and let everything sit out and dry for 24 hours. The brush also has a spot on the tray for it to sit and dry out fully, and the cover for the brush can easily be wiped down. And at Mom's house, she has light colored floors that show dirt a lot easier than mine. And she was able to clean up some dirty spots in the guest bathroom, just going over them a couple times and it cleans it right up. What we learned.
I love not having a cord. We have been using battery-powered tools for about 4 years now, and I think I've gotten really spoiled. And this just takes it to a whole nother level, and it's so easy to not have to deal with that cord. You just put in the battery, and you're cleaning, and you're done in no time.
Before I used the cleaner, I actually did some research on my particular flooring. I have vinyl plank flooring, and I couldn't find anything specifics from the manufacturer that I have about, the best way to clean it. But I was seeing people saying online that vinyl plank flooring, if you use brush style cleaners, it can remove the shine off the top. So I did a test area and I didn't see any issues beyond my floor was clean. And then we did the whole floor and I haven't seen any kind of issue with the shine or anything like that. So I'm comfortable using it, but I will keep that in mind. So I'll probably at most clean maybe once a month, and I'll just keep an eye on it. But make sure when you are seeing if this will work on your floor, do some research, contact the manufacturer, check that out before you do any cleaning.
Now, one of the things we really like about all these Hoover One Power tools is any part that needs to be cleaned, it comes off really, really easily. So you can just take those parts off, clean them, let them dry, and they're ready to go for the next time.
Another thing I really like is it comes with a manual, a quick start guide, and there's actually instructions on the vac itself. All of the One Power tools actually had instructions. Anytime something needed to be cleaned, there was instructions right on it. And that's a great feature because anytime you have a tool that needs to be cleaned so that it stays in working order, that if you don't maintain them, they won't work. And so I'm glad that they make it so painfully simple. They put the instructions there, and they make every part super easy to come off and to be clean. So that is definitely a plus in my book. Let us know what problem areas you need to get cleaning next. I know home maintenance is not my necessarily favorite thing cleaning, but it sure is my favorite once it's done. I will tell you that.
That's true.
And now I'm cleaning way more often because I have the right tools for the job. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Bye, Mac. Oh, she was like, her head was up.
Oh, hey.
She's like, hello?
Hey, girl.
Did you say I was in the video? I'm sorry, Mac. We composed the shot for you. We composed it for you. Okay.
No, okay. She's
She's done. Because greyhounds sleep 18 hours a day.
Yep.